If you are the type of person who turns off an alarm and goes right back to sleep, then it is time to change your alarm and you should try using this alarm app. With this app, turning off an alarm involves solving a puzzle or a maths problem, which is to ensure that you won't just roll over and fall back asleep. To get started, simply tap on this plus icon and then select alarm and then set the time that you want to wake up. You can then customize the alarm volume, choose a sound or adjust the snooze settings from the screen. But here is the interesting part. If you click on this plus icon in the mission tab, you can then choose a task that you must complete to silence the alarm. For instance, if you opt for a memory challenge, then you will be presented with a pattern to memorize and replicate. You can then set the difficulty of the pattern by moving this slider and then decide how many times you want to tackle the puzzle before turning off the alarm. Once you have set everything, hit complete to finalize your alarm settings. And if you want to see how it works, then simply tap on this preview button to get a preview of the alarm. After you complete your tasks and turn off the alarm, you will be then welcomed by a screen where you can catch up on the latest news. And this app also offers quick alarms which you can use when you are planning to take a quick nap. On top of all this app also tracks your sleep, thus adding even more value to your experience. Overall, Alarmy is an app that you should definitely try using. Another super useful app to have on your phone is Tooly, and this app has got a ton of really useful tools. Like under the unit converter tab, you can find a bunch of converters for any kind of unit that you can think of, and the app also has a bunch of randomizer tools like flip coin, random number generator or spin bottle, and it even has a lucky wheel for you to spin. And under the calculator section, you can find a bunch of calculators like discount calculator, commission calculator, age calculator or calculators for calculating the area of 2D and 3D shapes. And on top of all this, you can find a bunch of text formatting tools under this tab, and by using the stylish font tool you can type out text in different fonts, or by using the text to emoji tool you can use emojis to type out words. And all of these tools are just the tip of the iceberg. There are a lot more useful tools like these under each of these tabs which you should definitely check out. The next app on our list is Arc Browser, and this browser has been gaining popularity in recent times and now it has been launched for Android devices as well. The browser has a really neat and easy to use interface. The Arc Browser also offers a built-in ad blocker service that significantly improves your browsing experience by getting rid of all the annoying pop-up ads, thus making it much easier to scroll through articles and websites. Another great feature is its ability to translate web pages with just a single tap, which means you don't have to download any extra plugins for translating the web page. But the standout feature of Arc Browser is its AI-powered browsing functionality. That is, once you enter your search query and if you tap on Browse for Me, then AI will generate a detailed summary of whatever you are searching for by pulling information from various websites. By using this feature, you can get a clear picture of whatever you are looking for very easily. Since we are on the subject of browsing the internet, and while browsing if you stumble upon interesting websites or articles, and if you want an easy way to save them for later, then Link Manager is an app that can help. Inside the app, simply tap on this plus sign and then paste the link to the article or website here and give it a name of your choice. And then hit the save link button to save it, and now you can find all your saved links easily under the home tab. And if you tap on this plus icon here, then you can create more folders, and by doing so you can categorize all your links and make it easier to find them later on. For instance, if you come across several cooking recipes, then you can create a separate folder specifically for those recipe links. Similarly, you can put links to videos or podcasts that you would want to watch again later on in a separate folder so that you can easily find them when you want to watch it again. Speaking of podcasts, if you listen to a lot of podcasts or music on your phone, then this is an app that you must have. And with this app, you get a small button on your screen, and if you tap on it, then you can turn off your phone screen. But the music or podcast that you're listening to keeps running in the background. The name of the app is Black Screen, and just as the name suggests, the app places a black overlay over the app that is currently running. And you have the option to choose between a black overlay or apply this always on display as the overlay. And if you choose to apply the always on display, then you can customize the always on display from this screen. If you are in search of some cool widgets, then iWidget is a one-stop shop for it because it has got a large collection of widgets like these eye-catching clock widget that can be expanded to include a calendar, and you will also find some stylish weather widget and some handy widgets that can display your phone stats along with toggle buttons for functions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, torch and cellular data. But the widget that caught my eye is this one that looks like a record player, and I also like this iPod widget, and both of them are music player widget. In addition to all these cool widgets, this app also offers a bunch of themes to customize your phone. You can easily download everything you need to recreate a theme like the wallpapers, icons and widgets directly from this app itself, and you don't have to download any supporting apps or launchers to recreate the theme. However, keep in mind that to unlock these elements you will have to watch a bunch of ads, or you can use these diamonds to unlock them, which you can either purchase or earn by doing these little tasks. And I have to say, iWidget is one of the best customization app to have on your phone. And there you go, 6 useful Android apps that you should definitely try using. If you want to find out more crazy Android apps, then check out these 2 videos here, and if you enjoyed this video, then drop a like, and a sub to the channel would be a huge encouragement for me.